Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide media when uploaded directly to Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now here you will find text and media, click on it. Now here as you see you will find here when uploaded directly to Discord, click on it, and that's it. That's how to hide media when uploaded directly to Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.